guys, my name is AMARTYESH and today I am here to discuss with you an interesting topic. Have you ever wondered that why are the planets spherical in shape? If yes, today we are going to know about these answers. Why are planets spherical or round in shape? Let us look at the definition of spherical shape that I have written here. Planets are spherical or round in shape because of gravity acting inwards and joining the planetary continental plates together. So now let us explore the reason for this. Why the planets are round in shape? Planets are round because of gravity. The gravity at the center of the planets pulls the tectonic planets in the shape of a spherical or a sphere. The gravity which is at the center of the Earth or the planets, and this is the planets or outer sphere, and this is the gravitational force. The gravity from the center of the planet pulls the tectonic plates towards the center, and in this way the planets accuse the shape of a perfect sphere or circle. To know about this, we have to see the example of a cycle wheel. As the wheel of a cycle, it has three parts: the frame, the axle, and the spokes. The axle is connected to the spokes, and the spokes are connected to the tires. In this way, there is the gravitational point, and it is connected to the tectonic plates, and this tectonic plate forms this circle or the sphere of the planets. But the main real question is, why the planets choose to become circle in shape only? Means it could take any other shape also, like rectangle, square, or even oval also, but why sphere only? Many researchers believe that to know about this answer, we have to go to the period when the planets itself formed. That is about 4.5 billion years ago. About 4.5 billion years ago, when the planets and our galaxy was getting formed, there were a huge amount of radiation, energies, and masses of gas and dust. The gravity pulled the gases and the dust into a clumps, and from time to time, these clumps of gases and dust take the shape of planets and grew larger and larger, while the gravity is at the center of the Earth. There was a collision between the gravity and other forces in the space, and due to this collision, the newly formed planets were hot and molten. Means the primitive Earth, Mercury, Venus, and other planets were very hot and molten, and that is very different to now that we see. And due to this molten, the heavy elements such as iron, nickel went to the center or the core of the Earth. And from time to time, the hotness of the planet get cooled, and due to this cooling system, the stones get stuck there and it take the form of a circle. Means planets take the form of a circle because of gravity and the process of cooling. So let us look at another points of how the planets take the form of a sphere. By using new researches, scientists found that planets are not perfectly sphere because while the planets are rotating in the space and the rotational motion is against the gravity. So in this way, when the Earth or other planets rotates, it forms a bulge at the center of the planets. And we could see such bulges during the tidal tides. And by using high electrical devices, scientists have came to know that different planets have different shapes. For example, Mercury has oval shape, means it is like the shape of an egg. Venus has perfect circle. Venus is the only planet in the solar system that is perfect circle. Earth, which is the shape of a spheroid, means it is circle with the top or the poles of the Earth being oval. And Mars is also very similar to that of Earth, means spheroid. Jupiter has bulge spheroid, means because Jupiter is a gas giant and it has high storms, and the best example is the Great Red Spot. And due to this, there is a bulge at the Jupiter. Saturn, O-planet spheroid, and Uranus also has O-planet spheroid. Saturn and Uranus are windy giants, and they also have an amount of water and ice, due to which they take the symbol O-planet. O-planet means elliptical, and Neptune means elliptical oval. It means that Neptune doesn't have enough mass. And how could it have? Because Neptune is made up of water and ice particles. So, but now the question arises that why the planets have different shape? The scientist says that the main answer to this is the impact that the planets faced during their formation or after that. After the formation of the planets, during the Great Heavy Bombardment, many asteroids and meteors fell to the planets, and due to this, there were many geological and geographical formation in the planets. And due to this, every planet get different shapes. So today we going to know about the answer. Why are the planets spherical in shape? And that is because of gravity. Thank you.